One of the problems we have playing golf with a bad back is bending over. And one of the times on every hole we have to bend over normally is to tee up. Well, that gave me a lot of pain and a lot of discomfort, particularly nearing the last holes of a round. And so what I'm trialing is a product I found online which helps us to place the tee and the ball into the tee surface. The product is here. It's still in this wrapper, okay? So I purchased this as well, the product's called the Easy Tee. And you'll find it at zerobendgolf.com. Now, let me just tell you, this is not a paid sponsorship, and I'm not being paid to do this review, and I've not been given this product. I've purchased this at full retail price because I need it after looking at the video, the promo video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unwrap the product. All right, time to take the Easy Tee device out of its wrapper. Now the actual company promo video of the Zero Bend Easy Tee device